Today I'm testing my SoundRacer V8 in my Pontiac Grand Am V6. As you can see, nothing modified about the car. Here's the SoundRacer V8. Pull out the cigarette lighter, pop it in, set on 90.3, turn on the car.
Significant.
Put it on my FM station, 90.3. Let's rev it up to 3,000 RPM. Okay, now we're set. Pulling onto the road here. Wait till traffic clears. Item has a beautiful V8 sound. Replicates the sound of a classic muscle car without having to be in an actual muscle car. Sporty little coupe or a sedan, something with a small engine or a medium-sized engine, works like a champ. Nice idle, nice downshift when it downshifts, and let's go through the light. Fun little thing to have in your car for when you're driving. And you want that muscle car sound, but don't have a muscle car in your garage.